Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam and welcome back to my English habit. Actually, I sit here. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, right now, I will share you what I did uh, learn yesterday. Okay. Actually, every day I uh, try learn something like grammatical part, like speaking part, like listening part. Uh, okay, so right now I will share you what I learned yesterday. Actually, first time or every beginner learner, first time, no need grammatical part or grammatical part not important first time. Okay, but uh, once upon a time, grammatical part very important. Okay, uh, already I can understand, and i I can understand uh, grammatical grammatical importance. Okay, so uh, actually yesterday I learned uh, how to make easily short sentence or a long sentence create very easily. Okay, so that's why I research uh, chat gpt. Okay, and he suggests me, if you really learn english, you can follow my suggestion. Okay, so that's why yesterday I learned something like I need to. Okay, and I want to, and I like to, and I usually, and I can, I cannot, I don't, I do. Okay, he told me. Okay, and uh, almost 6 or 7 uh, technique gave me. Okay, and and uh, me note down my uh, notebook. Okay, so every day I try like something, learn something, uh, and, tips and tricks. Okay, so actually every day I try something, learn, and something uh, learn. Okay, because all everything I cannot, so that's why every day I try my best, and every day learn some vocabulary, learn some technique, learn like some new word. Okay, actually if you uh, if you learn don't learn something, if you cannot improvement your english. So that's why uh, everyday learning or everyday learn very important. Okay, so if you really learn english, if you really uh, better speak english, so every day you learn something like vocabulary 5, learn 5, or uh, some tricks, how to make video, or how to create short sentence, how to create long sentence, or how to create better better speech or better speak. Okay, because uh, 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 first day cannot all everything learn. Okay, and actually uh, perfection uh, only just cannot uh, first day. Okay, perfection actually comes uh, daily practice, daily habit, daily hard work. Okay, so if you really uh, uh, want to perfection, everyday practice, everyday consistency, everyday create your habit, everyday uh, create consistency. Okay, so this is your uh, improvement. Okay, so I believe it, inshallah you will be success only just everyday practice, everyday listening something, everyday speaking, and everyday reading, writing. Okay, and everyday follow your method, everyday follow your routine. Okay, I don't tell you, or I don't uh, tell follow my rules or follow my method. Okay, you follow your method, you follow your routine, and you follow your habit. Okay, but uh, create good habit or create uh, better habit. Okay, so I hope you learn something and enjoy with me. So keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up, and uh, believe in yourself. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.